Mr. Glocer, welcome to CCTV.
Thank you.
You have just launched a brand new, first ever brand advertising push in UK, as well as providing services on both ITV and mobile platforms so that you can sell your service to the customers directly. Would you like to talk about your strategy, media strategy especially?
Well, there are really two parts of Reuters' business. There's a financial services business, which brings about 90% of the revenues. And then there's a media business, which brings the remainder, but for 150 years has been essentially a wholesale business. So, for example, we provide the text, the photos, and the video for clients all over the world, from CCTV to the New York Times to the BBC. What we've begun to do starting in the last 12 to 24 months is recognize that much of that same information is also very relevant to individuals who have a need for their business lives, for their investing lives, but also very much in their personal life to have the same professional quality news, fair, accurate, independent, and trustworthy, to have it directly to them, either on a mobile or on a screen or on a television.
Well, some of the customers think that your services are a little bit costly. What do you think about it?
Well, we think we deliver good value for money. What we do about it affirmatively is, rather than just sell one package at one price, as some of our competitors do, we believe in offering a range of different services. So there's one package if you trade across every market around the world and across every type of asset. But we also offer smaller packages at less money for people that, let's say, only trade in the domestic market. And that's our way of trying to always fit value to the particular content and functionality.
Well, you mentioned earlier that people make business decisions based on the financial data that you provide. So how do you ensure the accuracy?
We go to great extent to do that. Part of it is a quality assurance team that we have for both the information side, the data side, as well as news. And a lot of it has to do with the training that goes in before anyone's ever allowed to actually put that information. For instance, I wouldn't be qualified to provide Reuters data even though I run the company. So I'd have to first be trained to come up to the exacting standards that we have.
From your personal observation, how long do you think it would take for a company to grow and meet the standard of Reuters?
Well, it's taken Reuters 154 years so far. When I see the progress and how fast Beijing is being built, I'm sure a Chinese company could do it much faster. But I don't think there's any prescribed time limit. The issue really is, how long does it take to establish a reputation for fairness, for accuracy, for independence? And that's really the most valuable gift that Reuters has, because when we speak and when we deliver our information, we're trusted. And that takes maybe 100 years to establish. You can collect the data faster than that.
Well, we definitely hope you keep up with great work here in China. Well, Mr. Glocer, thank you very much for meeting with our audience.
Always a pleasure. Thank you.